In today's episode, we started off right with some nutritious breakfast, hopped in the van. It was already 80 degrees at this point, so we know it's going to be a great day. We unload 4 toilets from Friday and then load up 2 more for today. We've got 7 calls on the board with gross sales right around $5,700, so we know it's going to be an awesome day. First call, I drive up, we've got a loose faucet, and of course it's missing the hardware down below. Miraculously, a Johnny bolt fit inside the threads, and the owner had a massive screw collection, so I took the Johnny bolt over, matched it up with a screw that fit, tightened up the screws, and then I found some funny looking pecs down below, and did the same thing on the veggie sink, although that one had the hardware. Show up to the next call, and we've got some rusted toilet bolts, so we're just going to replace all the parts inside the tank based on the condition of them. Isn't it cheaper just to get a new toilet? To the customer, it is not cheaper, although it may be a better value to them. Sometimes people don't see the value in a new toilet and they just want to get theirs fixed. I pitched him the idea to go out and purchase his own toilet. We could come back tomorrow to install it for the same price as I'm going to charge him to rebuild this one. He would spend the extra $200 on the toilet itself, but some don't see the value in having a brand new toilet. So that's that.
Hey boy, I hope you cleaned up those rust marks. That would not fly on my job site, boy.
All right, and moving on to our Delta faucet rebuild. This is the same customer with the toilet. He was pretty shocked at the price of rebuilding this faucet, and all I could tell him was call around town. We've got the cheapest prices, so we ended up just settling on a veteran's discount. Thank you for your service, sir. This is the last video I took today. It was just a Toto toilet install. Pretty straightforward, except for they forgot the screws last time, so we went ahead and threw those in there, and then I had my apprentice finish this out. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it.